So I noticed something that I do. Having written my book, which I'll be honest, I wrote for me to understand what was going on with me, how I travelled my journey and what stood out for me, I then recognised that I buy books. I get really, really excited about books. And I read a few lines and then I put it on the side. And I kind of hope that it's just going to get in there by being in my world, rather than actually reading the words. And even the words that I do read, sometimes what I have to do is go back and think, did I read that bit? So I've come up with an idea of running a live experiment to see how it affects everybody else as well. So I'm going to run this experiment for 12 weeks for the first 6 chapters of my book. And what we're going to do is we're going to read the chapter. I'll read it to you in the way that I meant it to be heard, with the intonation that I wrote it with. And you get a chance to listen to it, because I know when I listen, I use Audible books all the time. And I will very often even get documents that I'm researching with read out to me because I hear it better. And the information sticks in there. Do you know what I mean? So I'll read the chapter out loud to you 1 week, and there'll be space at the end for you to ask questions and have a conversation about it. And then the next week we'll do the continued writing that's at the end of each chapter in my book. And we'll do that way because I know that in my membership we do continued writing there, and it prompts far more when I'm reading it to them when they read it to themselves. So we're going to do the continued writing in the second week. Then the third week we'll go chapter 2. And 2 weeks later, we're going to do the continued writing, and so on and so on and so on. So for over 12 weeks. So it's £75, £25 a month payment plan if that's what you'd like. Just come and join us. Remember, only 12 spaces.